Howdy doody everybody, Tushan again from Redline Technologies, and today we'll be taking a look at the Logitech G433 7.1 wired surround gaming headphone. So the Logitech G433 is a 7.1 wired gaming headphone. And let's just take a look at the packaging. Up front it says it's compatible with PC, PS4, the Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, and any mobile device. So side of the packages. Then you have the technical specifications. So I'll just go over what laymen would understand. Driver size is 40 millimeters. Frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Impedance of the drivers is 32 ohms, and the cable length is 2 meters. So you get a 2-meter cable with this. This is something that's interesting. So 7.1 only works with PC, and everything else is stereo. So PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, Mac and mobile, all stereo. And at the back of the box you have Linus, and what does it say here? Oh yeah. So 7.1 is activated through or with DTS Headphone X. Okay, so let's get this thing out of the box. So it's wrapped in this plastic cling film type thing that you have to rip open. There we go. Get rid of this. And just have to tear this open like so, and this should lift up, I assume, or out. How does this work? What is this? Who does this? Oh, it's one of these. Why make things so complicated? Jeez, what the? There we go. Thank you, Logitech. Could have just made but no, never mind. Okay, see, very nice packaging. This lifts open like so. Nice. Wow. Is that magnetic? It is magnetic. So you lift up the lid. You have your plastic cover. Ooh, now this looks very good. Oh, nice. See what's in here. So you have, seems to be all the cables, the headphones. What's in here? This is your included DAC and microphone. Then you have another cable. I think this is the 2-meter cable, if I'm not mistaken. Interesting. And replacement ear cups. That's very cool. Then you have a setup guide and contact information for Logitech. That's cool that they include that. Okay, what else? What else do we have? Carrying case. Oh, that's very nice. It's a very nice, high quality carrying case. The material is very soft. Let's see. Goes in snug. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'll just open some of the accessories. Open the bags to some of the accessories here. Let's see what we have inside, just to get a better look at them. Yep. So that's the DAC that they include with this. That's a USB DAC. Then you have your unidirectional microphone, which slots into the port right in here, the left side of the headphones. So that's unidirectional. Then you have your inline microphone with controls, volume controls, and a mic on and off switch. Then you have a splitter So what you do here is you connect one end of the inline mic to the splitter. That goes to your PC. These two go to your PC. And this goes into your headphone here. Whereas you would connect the unidirectional microphone up top here. You'd connect the inline microphone down there. Okay, so what else do we have? We have, like I said earlier, the replacement ear cups, or whether they are replacement or another material. Yeah, I think these are the velvet ear cups. These seem like they'll be more comfortable than the ones that are already on, because the ones that are already on are, I don't know, they're a little itchy. Headphone overall is very, very light. Don't even feel it on your head. It seems like it'll be more comfortable though.
So that's an unboxing and overview of the Logitech G433 wired 7.1 wired surround gaming headset. So subscribe to our channel. You see a floating thingy here for more great content, and make sure to follow our Facebook page for the latest product updates.
Ma, stop calling me. I'm at work.